Hey everyone, welcome back to The Explainer. I am absolutely thrilled you're tuning in today because we're looking at something that solves a massive, and I mean massive, headache for financial leaders. We're going to focus entirely on one specific product from Bizmanualz. It's their Banking Policies and Procedures Manual, specifically SQ number ABR25D-WD. So let's just dive right into this, see exactly what's inside the box, and why this is such an absolute game changer for your operations. Look, we've all been there, right? The regulatory landscape shifts out of nowhere. Or maybe you're scaling up operations and suddenly it hits you. You need a fully updated, customized banking manual, and you need it today. The pain of having to establish or update standard operating procedures fast without starting from scratch, it's incredibly real. I mean, staring at a blank page when compliance is breathing down your neck, that is a literal nightmare scenario for any operations or compliance officer. And to be clear, this isn't just some vague, one-size-fits-all business guide. No, this is specifically designed for small to medium retail banks and financial institutions. So if you're a bank manager, a compliance officer, or an ops leader at a growing institution, this was engineered directly for your daily reality. It is entirely tailored to those specific regulatory and customer service demands you're dealing with on the floor every single day. 95. Yep, that's the number of pages of comprehensive, ready-to-use retail banking documentation you get the second you hit buy. Just think about that for a second. Think about the sheer hundreds of hours it takes to research, draft, review, and finalize 95 pages of highly technical banking compliance docs. This product just hands you that entire foundational workload on day one. All right, Section 1, Unboxing the Procedures. So you're getting 10 pre-written banking procedures included right out of the gate. We're talking everyday transactions, administering ATM and Visa lines of credit, handling foreign currency purchases, verifying funds, stopping payments. It handles incoming and outgoing collections, lost or stolen checks and cards, NSF issues. And it goes all the way up to major operational protocols. Opening and closing accounts, common teller transactions, bank wire transfers, and even setting up your banking security and managing a bank guard force. It completely blankets retail banking. Moving right along to Section 2, Unboxing the Forms and Guide. Now this is where the rubber really meets the road, because you also get 10 corresponding banking forms that perfectly align with those procedures we just talked about. So instead of leaving your staff to guess, you have immediate standardized paperwork ready to go. You've got your bank closing form, bank hold card, lost or stolen cards form. Then there's administrative essentials like the key issue policy, photocopy request, special incident report, plus your wire transfer form, stop payment form, change of address, and recurring wire transfer forms. Basically, immediate implementation is actually possible. And Bizmanualz doesn't just, dump a giant folder of documents on your desk and say, good luck. This bundle also includes a specific how-to manual preparation guide, alongside crucial job descriptions to clearly assign responsibilities. This really helps leaders effectively develop, roll out, and transform these templates into the living, breathing rulebook of your institution. Okay, Section 3, the efficiency engine, or how it saves time. Think about the old way of doing this, staring at a blank screen, trying to write over 95 pages of compliance SOPs from scratch. You're carrying all the regulatory risk of missing a crucial step, and you are burning through weeks of payroll. The Bizmanualz way? You're just downloading fully editable, pre-written Microsoft Word templates. You instantly go from being an author burdened with starting from absolute zero to just being an editor, simply tweaking industry best practices to match your specific bank's flavor. It's brilliant. And it's literally a 3-step process to deploy this today. Step 1, instant download. The files come in a convenient, compressed zip folder the exact moment you buy. Step 2, customize. These are standard Microsoft Word files, compatible with Word 2003 and up, so there's no weird proprietary software you have to learn. Just open them up, add your bank's logo, adjust the text, and save. Step 3, implement at your retail bank. It really is just that seamless. Finally, Section 4, the guarantee and call to action. $99.99. I'm just going to let that sit there for a second. For less than $100, you are anchoring your bank's operations with over 95 pages of highly specialized, ready-to-deploy procedures and forms. When you calculate the hourly rate of a bank manager or a compliance officer, this price point is just an incredibly high ROI investment for the sheer volume of time it saves. And honestly, the social proof backs up that value completely. The manual holds a perfect 5-star rating from users. You've got customers like Mubarak leaving super enthusiastic 5-star reviews, And then you've got larger entities like Vietnam International Bank, noting that the content is crystal clear and packed with templates. It's a proven resource, trusted by professionals who are in the exact same trenches you're working in. Best of all, there is absolutely zero reason to hesitate here. Bizmanualz backs this whole thing with a 30-day money-back guarantee. It is entirely risk-free to just see if these templates fit your operations. And, if you still want to peek before you purchase, there's even a free sample procedure download available directly on their product page. So that leaves us with one final vital question. Are your banking operations fully documented, compliant, and secure right now? If there is even a sliver of doubt in your mind, why wait? Stop spending your valuable time writing documents from scratch. Go secure your copy of the Banking Policies and Procedures Manual. Again, that's ABR 225 WDD today. And give your financial institution the solid, documented foundation it actually deserves.